Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about the new cryptocurrency Pepe coin that has started to see a lot of momentum within the last 48 to 72 hours. As of right now, this cryptocurrency has jumped quite a bit. As you can see here, ever since the buy signal, you can see to currently what it is. Currently it is over a 7% gain within a short time frame. You can notice that this coin is very volatile as well. One thing I wanted to show here to some of the holders with this coin was that we started to see a head and shoulders pattern. That was whenever we broke the trend here. That was indicated here that it was going to break the trend. Remember, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. This cryptocurrency has gained some volatility and some momentum within the last 48 to 72 hours. Majority of this cryptocurrency is going to be a lot of meme holders. A lot of people that is starting to move within the cryptocurrency space. One thing I wanted to mention about Pepe though is that it's been up over 95% within the week. On Coinbase, its volume is heavier than Shiba Inu's. The volume itself is $15.1 billion. The market cap is 8.3. So it is almost double the market cap. So you can see how the volatility can easily change right here. With volume around 15.1 billion, that means there's a lot of money selling and a lot of money buying this cryptocurrency. And it could possibly flip Shiba Inu in the market cap if it doubles currently from where it is at currently. Now if we go back to the Pepe coin, you can kind of see here within the hourly time frame that we could possibly be seeing maybe a double top here. If not, what we're going to be seeing is majority going to be volume based. It is currently overbought. It is moving a lot with Bitcoin. It has suppressed a lot of these other altcoins. A lot of these altcoins have dropped, but it looks like a lot of money is moving over to some other cryptos when the overall crypto market is dropping, causing a big gain in some of these altcoins like you see in Pepe today. That is going to be a lot of volume trading, so make sure you do watch out for that because the volatility is everywhere during these times. The indicator itself has also caught some of these trend breaks. As you can see, it caught this one on the hourly time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can kind of see some momentum here. The buy signal, even if you would have got it and got rid of it right now, would be 126% gain in just 8 days. That is 48 bars. This is looking at a 4-hour time frame. If we take a look at the 30-minute time frame, you can kind of see maybe a head and shoulders. On the 5-minute time frame, currently on the Pepe coin, you're kind of seeing that it's playing out exactly like a head and shoulders like it did previously back into the past on the 4-hour chart. If you can see here, it is currently overbought. The red here means it's overbought. The green means it's oversold. As you can tell in the past, this coin's volatility has happened in the past, just not as much as it is currently. The price change within a day, according to Coinbase, is 48%, 94% in a week, 2 weeks, 109%. If you would have bought this coin last year, you would have got over 1,112% gain according to Coinbase. The circulating supply is 420.7 trillion Pepe, but majority of us going to have to watch the market cap and the volume, as you're going to see big gains. You're also going to see big dumps, and that is something that you do have to take the risk of. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. It's just for entertainment purposes only, so make sure you do your own due diligence before getting any trade. If you want the indicator, check down below as well. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. My price prediction on Pepe is getting back up to the high of around 22,435, and then are we going to maintain that? If we do break out of that, we could potentially see it get closer to the Shiba Inu's market cap, which could easily double with how much volume we have. If we just had that volume in just better volume instead of just buys and sells, and it be a majority of buys, you would see a gain on Pepe continuously. Do I think Shiba and Pepe can go hand to hand? There's a possibility, as there is a lot of holders moving from each coins over to other coins as the market pumps and dumps. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know if you want more Pepe content. Just let me know down in the comment section below.